Welcome to this beautiful floor plan. This is called the Alex floor plan, and this is located in Bradbury, which is a little sub-community of Blackridge, which is located in Hoover, Alabama. Check out these big, bright windows at the back of this great room. There's an accent wall here, which many times there would be a fireplace there, but this home just chose to do the dark accent wall. And look at the kitchen. It's totally open. It has some very stylish tiled backsplash. I love the different kinds of subway tile, turned different angles. And notice the contrast. One countertop's dark and the other was light. Don't know if you missed that one. You might have to watch this video again. The formal dining room is at the front of the house. This one has dark paint, kind of cool. Stairs going up, but first, we're gonna go down this hallway and check out the master bedroom, which is on the main level, located at the back of the house. Gives you kind of a little private alcove, peaceful and quiet. And these bathrooms, what can we say? Double sinks, nice size vanity, big soaking tub for the end of the day when you just want to wash away all your trials and tribulations, a giant shower. And then these closets are just a nice size. You have plenty of room for all your goodies. Then we back out and we go down the hallway, and here we go down the hallway. If you go out the back, it takes you to the garage. The laundry room is right here to the left. Plenty of room. I love the stylish tile. It's kind of a fun floor plan. And then we head out and you go upstairs in this house, and you will find 3 bedrooms and a big den. This floor plan's a little bit different. The den is just huge. Lots of spread out room. You know, everybody needs kind of an upstairs den, whether it's for the kids or it becomes a man cave, you know, whatever your family needs are. But this one's just a nice size, and this is what you see when you go to the top of the stairs. Plenty of room. It is open to the downstairs staircase, so it creates a lot of natural light. And then as we go down the hallway, you come to the bedrooms. So regular size bedroom here. This one's set up as a nursery. Oh, so cute. Don't you love a nursery? But it's kind of a standard size bedroom with a double closet. Then around the corner is a bathroom. Oh, let's go back to another bedroom first. This is the second upstairs bedroom. They're all about the same size. And then there is another bedroom as well. And these 3 bedrooms share a bathroom that's upstairs. So this Alex plan is a great floor plan for so many families. I love how they separate the wet space. So the sink is in the front, you can close that door and someone can be back there taking a shower, whatever. Just makes it so versatile. So if you're interested in a beautiful home like this, give me a shout.